Hello. Welcome to my channel where we will talk about artificial intelligence and its amazing applications. My name is Thomas and today, we will take a look at ChatGPT-4, the latest system from OpenAI that can communicate with you like a human. What is ChatGPT-4? How does it work, and what can it do? You will find out in this video, so stay with me. Imagine having a friend who can answer any question, help you with a problem, or assist you with a creative task, and that friend is imaginary. No, don't worry, I'm not schizophrenic. That's what it's like to chat with the new GPT-4 chatbot. It sounds like science fiction, but GPT-4 is the most advanced system from OpenAI that produces safer and more useful responses. ChatGPT-4 is based on GPT 3.5 technology, which can generate text similar to human speech. ChatGPT-4 is improved because it can hold a conversation with the user and adapt to the user's situation and mood. ChatGPT-4 can solve complex questions more accurately, thanks to its extensive general knowledge and problem-solving skills. ChatGPT-4 is also more creative and collaborative than before. It can create, edit, and improve with users on creative and technical tasks such as composing songs, writing scripts, or learning the user's writing style. In this video, I will focus on what GPT-4 actually is, how it differs from previous versions like GPT-3 and GPT 3.5. Let's start with GPT-4 compared to previous models. It's now multimodal, which means that unlike previous versions that were based solely on text, GPT-4 can also process images. I wouldn't be surprised if there was also an audio component, but for now, OpenAI simply demonstrated several examples of their image processing. The first example is on their website, where they gave artificial intelligence the difficult task of explaining a joke based on a series of images. This image is an iPhone, but it charges using a VGA cable, and GPT-4 was able to accurately identify all the elements in the photo and explain the context of the joke. While this sounds fairly simple, in previous versions of artificial intelligence, this feature was almost unheard of, and I think reCAPTCHA will now have to try to recognize not only bots but also artificial intelligence. The second demonstration was real magic. OpenAI showed how you can draw a website's image on a piece of paper, then take a photo and send it to GPT-4. You can ask for a functional website to be created. In this case, it's a jokes website. In just 10 to 20 seconds, GPT-4 created all the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code to reproduce the website, and then it was copied to the editor and presented as a functional product. As someone who has designed websites before, I have to say that I'm very impressed with it. It's not something that's easily achievable. ChatGPT-4 can also create a game within seconds. In addition to being able to receive visual inputs, it can also produce and process more than 25,000 words of text, which is much larger than previous models. It is also much more creative, able to precisely adjust, modify, and iterate technical tasks and writing than previous models. For example, its ability to summarize text where each sentence starts with the next letter of the alphabet from A to Z. This is a much more complex task, yet GPT-4 can easily handle it. GPT-4 also surpasses ChatGPT in advanced thinking abilities. This means that if you are trying to schedule a meeting between two people who have different availability, GPT-4 can think better and find a time that works for both. It is also safer and less prone to errors. OpenAI says they spent 6 months making GPT-4 82% less likely to generate requests for prohibited content and 40% less likely to create false or factually inaccurate responses. Where can we try GPT-4? The GPT-4 artificial intelligence can already be tested by users with paid access, costs $20, to the ChatGPT conversational application or developers who are given access through the API. Or just launch the latest version of the Microsoft Edge web browser with integrated Bing Chat, which runs on GPT-4, and sign in to a Microsoft account. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention.